Sa imong personal assessment, sir, should it be removed from the local chief executives?
Ang tinuod jud radyo man jud, dugay na nagi-remove.
Oo ba,
Kinahanglan
sir?
masabtan nato ni kaya ko
Okay.
tiguwang naman ko
Oh.
since time of martial law. Kanang police was nationalized in 1990
Okay.
because before ang police was localized. There, you have to understand na it started na ang police force is a local unit. Ina-appoint yan ang mayor, even their promotion in rank. I-appoint na, itudlo lang na sa mayor eh. Ikaw ang chief of police, ikaw sergeant ka na, ikaw teniente na ka.
Okay.
So because of the
Nationalization.
abuses,
Oo.
because of the abuses committed by the local executive, especially during the time of martial law, gihimo na ng national police. So it became national police but civilian in character.
Okay.
So mauna na siya. So appeal na sa 1990 law on the PNP
Oo.
was the removal of the mayor's authority to appoint. Ang gibuhat para na medyo na semblance of balance.
Balance.
Gitagaan ang mayor ng option to choose from a three-name recommendation by the national police.
Sir, what if wala dito sa i-bet niya mga pangalan? Oo. Pwede ba siyang mo dugang pangalan?
Kung mudugag siya, hong-hong na lang to. Hindi man na malikayan.
Naamang
Pero if we will follow the principle of the law, kinahanglan national ang mo recommend. So that is essentially because they want to remove the ties between the local executive and the chief of police. Ang essence din kasi ng nationalization ng police, dili pwede na ang police mudugay sa usa ka lugar kay ngano, mahimo nang mag-fraternal ties na ang
Fraternal
police
ties,
ang kriminal. Di lang mayor pati kriminal. Na yung mga sindikato pag ang police dugay na. So pwede na nang close na sila kayo dito sa mga kriminal.
What you think ng one strike policy, sir? Sa tanaw nimo.
Ang problema, i-define sa nato kung sabay strike. Kapag sa rape, gitawag nila 9 na rape. Is that a one strike offense? I don't think so because that
There
is
are
something
series.
that the police cannot prevent. A rape cannot be prevented by a policeman.
Okay.
But the police should come in the solution of the case. Mahimo silang deterrent kay kung kung ikaw mubuhat kag og rape, kunya ma-solve within 24 hours, madlock ang future rapist. Mao na ipapel sa police. So balik ako sa point nako, i-define sa nato ang sabay ang strike. Kay depende man na ang strike. Ang krimen, naman good krimen every day. So if there are 10 crimes a day, is that a 10 strike offense. So ang nangyayari kasi dito, Radyo Manjon, pag sensational, we call it one strike.
Pag hindi naman,
Pag dili, walay count.
Wala count. Usahay gani, wala gani one strike. Nagana na itabuso sa kalugar. Sir, one last, sorry kayo sir, kung magbubuo atong panahon.
Okay lang.
Your take sa kining ginahimo ron ni PBBM na siya sa Amerika. It seems to me that we are now inclining towards the US versus
Mana-
China. What do you
Actually,
think?
yan, medyo ang China is quite agitated, irritated with the closer ties between the Philippines and the United States. Kaya ito ang mga klaro dyan.
Sige, sir.
Pabubuan na lang nako ha. Ang klaro, ang China ni Sulte, na kuhao nila balik ang Taiwan. But
Okay.
ito, klaro yan. At klaro po ang Taiwan ni Sulte, sila musukol sila. Klaro po ni Sulte ang Amerika
Ala.
na depensahan nila ang Taiwan. So those are the three facts that is important here. So how can China successfully implement their plan? Ang pwede lang nilang gawin, because US has a very strong armed forces, kailangan mabilisan. So if they occupy Taiwan, they have to do it in a matter of hours before US can come in. Manayso ko ang US ron, kay kung may ang China ron, kay kung may launching pad ang US sa Philippines, dali makarescue.
Maka-respond.
Pero kung layo, basig in 48 hours ma-occupy nila ang Taiwan, mabawi nila.
So ipit ta in the case nga mag-away ning duha.
Ipit naman good ta kay namili naman tayo, we took sides. Dapat
took sides,
hindi natin alam because there was a change of presidency. Apparently there was a
Kanya
change
nga.
in foreign policy. The
That's
problem here is ang foreign policy is a presidential prerogative.